Oh. Achoo. 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 Wow. Amazing. I'm busy. Wow. Fine. Come in. Achoo. Hello. Achoo. Doctor. Achoo. Safety first. Achoo. Now I'm ready. Achoo. What happened, Mike? I can't stop sneezing. Achoo. 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 What's that black stuff in your nose? It's probably pepper. What's pepper doing in your nose? Achoo! I had soup. Needed a little extra pepper. Thus putting pepper in the top of the shaker fell off. Oh. Then we need to get it out. But how should we do that? I know! Blow your nose! Achoo! Didn't help. Achoo! I know! We need to rinse your nose. Did it help? Yes! Actually, I know! Maybe a shot will help. It's shot time, it's shot time. It's shot time. It's shot time. There. It's all over. Okay, you're all set to go. But remember, be careful with the pepper next time. Okay. Bye. Okay, Doctor. Bye. You're welcome. Bye.